What is shock loading and how does it affect rigging hardware? Have you ever wondered how sudden forces can impact the safety of rigging hardware? Today, we are going to talk about shock loading and its effects on rigging equipment. Shock loading refers to a sudden and intense increase in load or force applied to rigging hardware. This happens when a load is dropped, caught abruptly, or lifted quickly. It can also occur when a moving load strikes an obstruction. This rapid force surge can multiply the load on rigging equipment by 2 times, or even more compared to the static load. In high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, storm chasing, and acrobatics, shock loading can create serious dangers. These jobs often involve handling heavy, moving, or unpredictable loads. For instance, when a log being lifted suddenly stops because it gets snagged, or when a heavy fishing net jerks due to a large catch, shock loading can occur. So, what are the effects of shock loading on rigging hardware? First, it can exceed load ratings. Even if the static weight is within safe limits, the shock load can push forces beyond the rated capacity of slings, hooks, and shackles. This can lead to equipment failure. Next, shock loading can cause material fatigue and damage. The repeated or single occurrence of shock loads can create cracks, deformation, or weakening of metal parts. This reduces their strength and durability over time. Another serious effect is sudden equipment failure. Shock loading can cause immediate breakage or malfunction of rigging gear. In high-risk jobs, this can lead to accidents, injuries, or even fatalities. Lastly, compromised safety is a major concern. Damaged or weakened rigging hardware may not perform reliably in future operations. This increases the risk of accidents in dangerous environments like storm chasing or deep-sea fishing, where conditions are already hazardous. To manage the risks associated with shock loading, professionals in these fields should use rigging equipment rated for dynamic and shock loads, not just static weights. It is also important to avoid sudden drops or jerks when lifting or moving loads. Regular inspections of rigging hardware for signs of damage or fatigue caused by shock loads are essential. Controlled lifting techniques should be employed to minimize rapid accelerations or stops. Understanding shock loading is vital in high-risk jobs where rigging hardware plays a key role in safety and performance. Proper awareness and maintenance of equipment can help prevent failures that might lead to severe consequences in these challenging work environments.